Guess what came in the mail today, guys? Legacy Icon. 1000-watt mono amp. In this box. Oh, jeez. Alright. So, you get manual screws. I'm guessing this is like a speaker wire. Oh. Hold up. Trying to do this all one hand, so bear with me. What is this? Oh dang, it's a volume knob, power knob. Guess you can control the power going to the amp. Whatever. Again, trying to do this one hand. Hold up. Well, it has this shiny finish to it. It's kind of cheap. The back of it, it's kind of like wobbling, like it's about to come off. Input, power, light, whatever. Volume levels, a remote level control. I'm guessing that's where you plug in that thingy. Apparently this thing lights up. You get power to it. Speaker inputs, fuses, power, ground, remote. Yeah, apparently it's 1100 watts. I don't believe that. Matters that how powerful you put it on to. Like the levels, if you have it up to like maximum and have that thing up to maximum, we might be able to get like, I don't know, probably 1000 watts to it. But I don't believe it's going to have that much of 1100 watts that's supposedly has. So I'll have a review up here soon. Getting the new Rockford Fosgate P3 15-inch in the mail tomorrow. I have an unboxing video for that. So yeah, well, it's a new channel. I have no idea what I'm going to call it. So you'll see it. You'll see it in the description, whatever it is. All right, peace out.